Welcome to my review of Refresh Financial. If you're looking for a loan provider that can help you improve your credit or get a personal loan, this might be a good option to consider. Refresh Financial focuses on helping people with no credit or poor credit by offering secured loans that can help boost your credit score over time. They offer a variety of credit-building products, including secured credit cards and installment loans, which are accessible to individuals who might have trouble qualifying for traditional loans. The website is user-friendly, with an intuitive layout that makes it easy to navigate. On the homepage, you'll find detailed information about their offerings, including credit-building loans, credit cards, and reports on how each product can help you. You will also see clear, transparent rates and terms, which is a big plus when considering financial products. When it comes to applying, the process is straightforward. You'll need to submit a few personal details, including your income and employment status. The site walks you through each step, and you're usually given a decision quickly. Many users appreciate that the application process is simple and doesn't involve a lot of paperwork, making it ideal for those new to credit or looking for an easy way to rebuild their score. Once you're approved, you can start using the credit products right away. Refresh Financial offers a great deal of transparency in their communication, letting you know exactly what you owe and when payments are due. Their online account management system is also easy to use, helping you stay on top of your balance and payments. Many useful links can be found in the description. Make sure to check them out if you're looking for more information about how Refresh Financial works or to compare other loan options. Overall, my experience with Refresh Financial has been positive. It's a great option for individuals looking to improve their credit score without jumping through too many hoops. However, as with any financial product, it's important to read the fine print and make sure it's the best fit for your needs. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews like this one.